Hello, it's David from CRP with a really quick tip that can save you a lot of headaches if you work on Ram 1500 pickup trucks. The most recent Rams, model years 2013 through 2018, are popular vehicles with over 3 million on the road. But if you work on the EPS, electric power steering of these trucks, it's really important for you to spec the correct one when ordering a replacement. You see, there are two different racks for the trucks. The more common unit, part number ER5101, fits trucks with crew or quad cabs and standard cab trucks with 8-foot beds. Part number ER5102 fits trucks with standard cabs and 6.5-foot beds. While the racks look the same on the outside, they have slightly different internals and calibration based on the vehicle. The ER5101 compatible models are heavier vehicles and generally have a longer wheelbase, which affects handling, steering, etc. Hopefully, this tip helps you from ordering and installing the wrong rack. If you have a question about this tip or any AAE power steering products, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about videos like this one. Thanks for watching.